Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here how to install Tomcat. See, Apache Tomcat it is a web server. Now we'll simply come up with the Chrome browser and simply type here Tomcat 11 download. Then see, this is the official web page. We are just trying to download the Tomcat. Then simply click on here. Then see, if you are coming down, then there is available Windows Service Installer, right? Then simply click on that. Once you click here, see Tomcat 11 is downloaded successfully. Now simply double click on that, then simply click on yes, then go ahead with the next. I agree. Simply click on again next, and here instead of -1, give here 8085. This is a recommendation actually for server shutdown port, and the connector port is 8080. Then mostly candidates they are doing mistake here. They are just keeping as it is and they are going ahead with. But here you can make it 8085. That would be like good recommendation here. Now again click on next. Go ahead with the again next. But before that, you can simply check what is the installation directory, right? Yes. And here again we are just going ahead with the like Java 17 we have selected here, right? Yeah. Whenever you are working on Tomcat 10 plus, then definitely we are using Java 17 and it will go ahead with the Jakarta. Again go ahead with the next. See, this is the installation directory like C program files, Apache Software Foundation, and the Tomcat your version expected version there is. Now simply click on install. It will take only minutes to get it installed. Yes. Now installation is done, but here please remove those checkboxes. Just you can uncheck it and then go to the finish. If you are not going to uncheck it, your Tomcat goes to run. And mostly freshers are facing the difficulties like port already in use because of that issue only. Then simply uncheck it and then go to the finish. Then see our Tomcat is installed successfully. If you want to check in my local, then you can simply go to the local C. Once you are coming with the local C, there is available program files. Inside that there is available Apache Software Foundation and there is available Tomcat 11. This is the latest version we are using. And itself you will be able to see the folder structure, bin and everything, right? Then in web app, there is you are able to deploy your external war file here. Okay. Upcoming sessions I will take care of like how we are going to deploy the external war file on Tomcat also. Coming to next, here you will be able to see log as well, right? If any logs goes to create there. Yes. Like, and if you want to start the Tomcat in your local, right? Then you will be able to see here bin folder. Inside that bin, there is available Tomcat 11. You can simply double click on that. It will go to start directly. Okay. Yeah. Like such a way, we're done with the installation of Tomcat 11 in Windows system. And if you are facing any difficulties, then feel free to add your comment in chat box. I don't want to create this video more complex. Then thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates and see you in next video.